Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the j5create ScreenCast 4K Max wireless display adapter. A device designed to make screen sharing simpler, faster, and more versatile than ever. Whether you're working from home, giving a classroom presentation, or just streaming your favorite content on a bigger screen, this adapter promises to bridge the gap between your devices and any TV, monitor, or projector. The j5create ScreenCast 4K Max supports AirPlay, Miracast, and Chromecast, giving you universal compatibility across Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android devices. This means whether you're using a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, you can mirror or extend your display seamlessly. The real strength of this adapter lies in its enhanced antenna and dual-band support, which ensures a stable connection and smooth streaming even up to 50 feet away. So, whether you're across the room or sharing content in a meeting, signal drops and lag become a thing of the past. What sets the ScreenCast 4K Max apart is its point-to-point mode. This feature allows you to cast directly from your device without connecting to a Wi-Fi network, which is perfect for secure environments or quick presentations. No matter where you are, you can share your screen instantly without relying on external networks. On top of that, the adapter offers business-ready security features. From Miracast pin code protection to admin gateway password controls and customizable splash screens, it's designed with professional environments in mind. Whether for corporate meetings, educational settings, or even small home offices. Physically, the adapter is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Installation is straightforward. Plug it into the HDMI port of your display, power it, and follow the setup instructions. There's no complicated software or drivers to install, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of tech experience. Overall, the j5create ScreenCast 4K Max wireless display adapter offers a highly versatile and reliable solution for anyone needing high-quality screen sharing. It delivers strong signal performance, cross-platform compatibility, and professional security options, all in a compact package. If you're looking for a way to wirelessly mirror or extend your device's display with minimal fuss and maximum reliability, this adapter is a solid choice. That wraps up our review of the j5create ScreenCast 4K Max. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we help you make smarter buying decisions.